Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Get More YouTube Views Using Quora. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, so here's my YouTube channel. Just today I want to discuss a very simple way of getting more views on your YouTube channel using Quora. So let me come out of full screen for a moment. Okay, let's go to Quora. So here's the first example I'm going to discuss. So I have an established profile on Quora. I'll show you the profile in a minute. I have over 110,000 answer views. I think I've got over 200 followers. So I've been on there a few years and I've been answering questions and helping people, as is the nature of the platform. And sometimes when it's relevant, and relevance is a key word here, I will embed a YouTube video from my YouTube channel into one of my answers. Here's an example. We'll go through all the examples. How does an affiliate marketing program help a blogger increase traffic to their website? Anybody with knowledge of affiliate marketing will know that actually affiliate marketing doesn't increase traffic to websites for bloggers. It increases traffic to the affiliate company's website. So you use your affiliate link and promote the products or services that they're offering, and in doing so you earn a commission when a new customer is found, a new customer converts and makes purchases. So here's my answer, and I've embedded a relevant video that I've made, which is how to monetize Twitter. When I do that, I obviously give a more comprehensive answer. I cater to at least two types of reader or user of the Quora platform. Those people that like written answers, and also those people who like to assimilate information visually, so they'd rather watch a video. So the video answers the question as well as the writing answers the question. People can click on here and go through to my YouTube channel and watch that video. So that's one example I've given. Let's just click out of that and show you some other examples. I'm going to close that one. Here's another example. Why did StumbleUpon close down? What are some good alternatives to StumbleUpon? So I've answered the question and I've inserted a video there, embedded a video. Title of the video is relevant to the question, StumbleUpon is dead. And then I've offered some insight in terms of what the replacement is, a StumbleUpon 2.0, I've called it. So there you see I've embedded a video there, and also another answer that will drive traffic from Quora to my YouTube page. Let's come out of here and give you another example. So let's click on this one. So can you make money from a blog? So I created a video in 2017, make money blogging 2017, 5 ways. And then I answered a question in early 2018, can you make money from a blog? Thank you for your question. I've embedded the video. Once again, the video is very relevant, so I've embedded that, and then people can simply click. And the fact that I haven't included too much text beforehand means more people are more likely to click and watch the video. Click here and go through to the YouTube video. Let's come out of here. That video has 14,000 views, that one. So that's the simple technique of embedding your videos on Quora. Let's go to full screen. And let's go to my profile. I didn't show my profile earlier. If you're going to use this technique, obviously you should fill out your profile. So founder and CEO, Marketing Fundamentals Limited. And then I've put some links there. So I've been answering questions for a number of years. If I go click through to my content, you can see how long. So I've been on Quora originally. First answered a question in 2013, so I'm still answering questions now in 2019. So that helps. You've got an established profile, and then here's a one I answered today, and I've embedded somebody else's video in this respect, and it's Gary Vaynerchuk's relevant question about Gary Vaynerchuk. Let's click on that just to show you. So I've noticed that the Quora algorithm likes answers that are comprehensive and also include videos, and the benefit of that is people obviously view the answers and will click through and go through to the videos on YouTube. So that's a very simple way and reliable way of increasing your traffic to YouTube from Quora. Okay, now the benefits of that when you get to YouTube are that more views when you're monetized will mean that you are able to increase the AdSense revenue that you're generating, providing obviously people watch the ads when they go through to watch your videos, and they watch the ads either during the videos or before or after. So it's a very reliable way of just driving traffic, and when you driving traffic from Quora to your YouTube page, and when you look at the YouTube analytics, you'll see that the percentage of video views coming from external, so there are two key, I'm not going to show this right now, but there are two key drivers. There's YouTube search, then there's suggested videos, which is also very important. They might be the bulk of your video views coming from that. But there is also external, and Quora would be one of the external websites driving traffic, driving views of your YouTube videos. So hopefully that's been useful to you. A very short video about using Quora and to drive traffic from Quora to your YouTube videos, increasing your views, and all things being equal, you should be able to increase your AdSense revenue, providing you're monetized, by increasing your views. If you want to find out more about Quora, click on the link in the description. I have a course, Quora for Business. Click on that link and it'll take you through to the landing page, and you can read more about the course and decide whether you want to study that. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on my face to subscribe, give me a like, and click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.